Okay, so now we're going to move on to the sponsored or featured section, featured on section of the website. So going down, we've actually got a section here that is completely optional, and I think when you're making a portfolio website or a personal website, we don't really need to have meet the team. I know a lot of people do have a team that works for them, so perhaps I guess that would be beneficial to have as well. I think in a lot of cases the personal brand website probably won't have this section. So what we're going to do is I'll show you how you can remove that if you'd like to. So all we do is opening up the Live Composer, we can just simply remove this section. We're going to get rid of that and get rid of this as a whole. There we go, that's it, and delete that entire thing. Okay, so now we've got this nice big section here. What we're going to do first is let's change that background, because I really don't think it suits the setting of this website. So what we're going to do is hit this button here, and we're going to go across until we'll see this here again. So you're going to hit enabled and you're going to go remove image. So that's removed the image there for now. So we're going to go and get ourselves a good picture to have in the background. So going back to our site that I showed you has free images, I just simply typed in city on Pexels, and first one that popped up, that is an absolutely incredible picture. So I'm actually going to go with that, and you just simply hit free download, and you're going to get the largest file. And then I'm going to go back, and we just simply hit upload image and drag that onto there like so if you have it, or just wherever your file has been downloaded to. So we drop it in, and then once it's uploaded, we're just going to hit confirm, and it's going to put it in there for us once it's loaded. And look at that, absolutely amazing image, that one. So perfect. So we're just going to simply hit confirm. And as you see, what's fantastic about it, I think, is that as you move down, it's a parallax type image. So as you move through it, you move through the image as well. Now I'm going to show you guys how we go through and actually change these to our own images. Okay, so what we want to first do is just hit publish changes, make sure that we don't lose this awesome image that we've just got here, whatever image you've put there, and then we're going to hit close. Okay, so going back to our dashboard, we're going to go to a section called partners, and what we're going to do is hit partners here, this first one. Now these are all the 4 partners that you see there. So the first one, let's go to the number 1 and let's click edit. Now all you need to do, there's not going to be any writing here for anything. What we do is we actually change the image here to what we'd like it to be. So I'm going to show you an example first, just changing it, and then I'm going to show you guys how you can actually make your own. So let's just remove that image. I'm going to go set featured, and if I go select files, now I've already got a few here ready. So entrepreneur, so just say you were featured on the website Entrepreneur, you can just select that, it'll load, you hit set featured image, and great. So now we're just going to go update. So now if I go back to our, you'll notice, look at that, it's actually got the logo of Entrepreneur added there, which is awesome. So now I'm going to show you guys how you actually go about getting these little logos to put there in the first place. So let's take, for example, another one, maybe the Huffington Post. So let's just say we go to Google and we type in, all you need to do is just type in Huffington Post logo white transparent. That's ideally what you want. So we go here and there's a good one there. They're Huffington Post. It's we want as big as possible, so we're going to go with this one here. And now all we do is just simply, as we would, we just save the image. Okay, so if I save that and it's downloaded for us, what I want you to do is to open up, I've actually got a template again for you of featured brand template it's called, and this is the exact dimensions that we need. So what we're going to do is you just simply, so I've already got one loaded there for an example, but you just can click on that and hit delete, and you're going to put in your one that you want to have as your sponsor. So we're going with the Huffington Post. So where is it? Huffington, this was it here. So we just simply hit that one, and we're going to need to reduce it down because it's quite a large picture of that. We needed to fit it into here. There we go. That's looking a lot better. So if I put that in and simply hit place it there. Perfect. So there's our text there. Now, if you can't find for yourself one that's perfectly white like that, there's actually an easy fix. So if it was black writing or it was red writing, you can simply just go double click, and if you go to one called color overlay, see, look at that, you can just double click on it. Look at this, I'm giving you guys a free Photoshop lesson, but only the very basics. So we say to set color, and we go to white and hit OK. Okay, perfect. So now all we need to do is we make sure that we check this little eye here, and we hit there to turn off that background because we want it to be transparent, and we just go save as OK. Alright, so that's all you need to do. Very easy, simple process. Then we just go back to our partner section. So we go back here and we hit partners again. And let's go to number 2. So let's change that to this Huffington Post one. So you're going to go edit. And we're going to go remove featured image because we're going to put our own in. And so we're going to go remove featured image because we're going to put our own in, and hit set. And then just simply upload our new one that we've made using the template. And then just simply hit update. And now if I go back to our site again and hit enter, there we go, perfect. So, and you can just go through and do that for the next 2, but I think you get the picture now. So, as you can see, it's a really nice way of displaying your sponsors or places where you may have been featured before. So one last thing is, if you want to add a little bit of text above it, okay, so to put a bit of text up above the top here, we just simply drag and place text in here. And what you want to do is go to how we've done, featured on So if we just highlight that and we'll put it to heading 2, make it bold, and now change it to white. Now that you've actually seen what you've written, change it to white, because once I click off, you can't see anything. And we're just going to hit confirm, and there we go. So it's there, but we want to have that centered. So make sure we highlight it, and we just hit this center button here and hit confirm. There we go, perfect. Okay, so there's our nice featured or sponsors section. One of the best parts of the website, I think, one of the nicest looking at least. Okay, so you just want to hit confirm, and then make sure, as always, publish changes.